In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link device to Microsoft account. To start, open the Settings app on your Windows PC. This can be done by clicking the Start menu, usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, you can select the gear icon that represents settings. You will see a window pop up displaying various options for customization and configuration. This is an essential first step because it leads you to the area where you can manage your accounts and devices. If you have difficulty finding the Settings app, you can also use the search bar at the bottom of the Start menu. Once you are in the Settings app, click on the Accounts option. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage your Microsoft account settings, including linking devices. The screen will then display options for your info, email, and accounts, and more. It is designed to help you oversee all aspects of your account. You will see a clean layout with clear labels, making navigation straightforward. This step is important for ensuring you are in the right place to link your device effectively. Next, select the Your Info section within the Accounts menu. This area provides information about your current account status and allows you to make necessary changes. If you are using a local account, you might see the option to sign in with a Microsoft account instead. If so, click that option. This step is significant because linking a Microsoft account unlocks features such as syncing settings and accessing Microsoft services seamlessly. Now sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. You will be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. Ensure that you input the correct information to avoid login issues. Following this, you'll likely see a verification step, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your account and keeping your information safe. After entering your credentials, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. This may involve agreeing to terms and conditions or confirming your identity through a verification code sent to your email or phone. Completing this process is essential as it finalizes the linking of your device to your Microsoft account. It sets the stage for all the benefits that come with being connected. If prompted, restart your PC. This step ensures that all changes take effect properly. Restarting can sometimes resolve issues and refresh your system. After your PC boots back up, you should be automatically added to your Microsoft Accounts Devices page. This means your device is now linked and you can start taking advantage of the features that come with it. Moving on to method 2, if you want to register a Surface or Xbox device, first open your web browser. You can use any browser of your choice, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. This step is a transition from managing your settings locally to accessing Microsoft's online services for device registration. Next, navigate to your Microsoft Devices page by entering the URL account.microsoft.com/devices. This page provides a centralized location where you can manage all your registered devices. Signing in with your Microsoft account is required here to ensure that you have the right permissions to register new devices. Once signed in, look for the Register Device option and click on it. This action leads you to the next step in the registration process, which is essential for linking your Surface or Xbox device. It helps maintain an organized overview of all your devices under one account. Now, enter your device's serial number in the provided field. You can usually find the serial number on the device itself or in its packaging. This step is particularly important for Surface devices and some Microsoft hardware, as it provides a unique identifier for your device. After entering the serial number, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration. Finally, to verify that your device is linked, visit the same Microsoft Devices page you accessed earlier. Sign in again to your Microsoft account and check if your device appears in the list. If it doesn't show up immediately, don't worry, it may take up to 24 hours for a newly linked device to appear. Patience is key here, as the system updates may vary in speed. By following these steps, you can successfully link your device to your Microsoft account. This allows for a seamless integration of services and features across your devices. Thank you for watching and enjoy the benefits of being connected.